What is the name of the tree known as the tree of life? Which tree is native to the Amazon rainforest and is called the tree of 1,000 uses? Which tree species is famous for its striking bright red foliage in the autumn? What is the name of tree known for its white, papery bark and is a symbol of peace and harmony? What is the name of the tree that produces the world's largest fruit? What is the name of tree known for its vibrant purple flowers? What is the name of the famous tree in New Zealand that appears on the country's flag? Which tree is famous for its vibrant, flame-like red flowers and is found in India? What is the name of the world's largest tree by volume, located in California? What is the name of the world's smallest tree by volume?